Brixton Solar Roofing Contractors. Everything you need to know. Mistakes to avoid when looking for solar roofing contractors. Mistake 1. Not checking for proper licensing and insurance. How to avoid it. Always ask for proof of licensing and insurance before hiring a contractor. Mistake 2. Choosing a contractor based solely on price. How to avoid it. Consider factors such as experience, reputation, and quality of work in addition to price. Mistake 3. Not getting multiple quotes. How to avoid it. Get at least 3 quotes from different contractors to compare. Mistake 4. Not asking about warranties and guarantees. How to avoid it. Make sure to ask about warranties and guarantees before hiring a contractor. Mistake 5. Ignoring reviews and references. How to avoid it. Check online reviews and ask for references from past customers. Frequently asked questions about Brixton Solar Roofing Contractors. Question 1. What types of solar roofing systems do you offer? Answer. We offer a variety of solar roofing systems, including photovoltaic PV and solar thermal systems. Question 2. How long does the installation process take? Answer. The installation process typically takes several days, depending on the size of the project. Question 3. Do you offer financing options? Answer. Yes, we offer financing options for qualified customers. Question 4. Are your installers certified and experienced? Answer. Yes. Our installers are certified and have years of experience in the industry. Question 5. Do you provide maintenance services for solar roofing systems? Answer. Yes, we offer maintenance services to ensure your system continues to perform efficiently. Question 6. What is the expected lifespan of a solar roofing system? Answer. A well-maintained solar roofing system can last up to 25 years or more. Question 7. Will installing a solar roofing system increase my property value? Answer. Yes, installing a solar roofing system can increase your property value and appeal to potential buyers. Question 8. How much will a solar roofing system save me on my energy bills? Answer. The amount you save on your energy bills will depend on factors such as your energy usage and the size of the system. Question 9. Do you offer a warranty on your solar roofing systems? Answer. Yes, we offer a warranty on our solar roofing systems to protect your investment. Question 10. How can I schedule a consultation for a solar roofing system? Answer. You can schedule a consultation by calling us at your phone number or filling out our online contact form. Call us now for a free cost estimate on your solar roof. Thank you for considering Brixton Solar Roofing Contractors for your solar roofing needs.